This video is initiated by Sit Vidya Mandir English High School. My name is Sneha Raimaga. This video is for Junior KG students. Subject General Knowledge. Topic Homes of Birds and Insects. Hello kids. In the last video we had studied about birds. Now today we will study homes of birds and insects. Okay children, let's start. A home protects the animals and birds from sun, rain and cold. So the first one is spider. A spider weaves a web. A spider is an insect. A spider lives in a web. Next, hens. Hens are female chickens. Hens are domestic or farm birds. Hens are kept in a coop where they sleep and take rest. Next, honeybees. Honeybees are the small flying insects. The honeybee live in a beehive. Honeybee gives us honey. Bee is very small insect. Next, sparrow. The sparrow is a bird. Sparrows are small with short tails. The sparrow lives in nest. Next, a weaver bird. A weaver bird is a small bird. A weaver bird lives in nest. A weaver bird weaves its nest. Next, ant. This is an ant. It is very small insect. It has 6 tiny legs. An ant lives in an anthill. Okay children? Now we will go through question and answer. Question number 1. Where do the honeybees live? So the answer is the honeybees live in a beehive. I repeat, the honeybees live in a beehive. Question number 2. Name 2 birds that live in nest. The answer is the sparrow and weaver bird live in nest. I repeat, the sparrow and weaver bird live in nest. Question number 3. Where does a spider live? The answer is a spider lives in a web. I repeat, a spider lives in a web. Question number 4. Who live in a coop? The answer is a hen lives in a coop. I repeat, a hen lives in a coop. Question number 5. Which bird weaves its nest? The answer is a weaver bird weaves its nest. I repeat, a weaver bird weaves its nest. Question number 6. Where does an ant live? The answer is an ant lives in an anthill. An ant lives in an anthill. Thank you.